myself Hafiz. Welcome back to Passionate Cooking with Chef Hafiz. Today's recipe, we're gonna make a simple and very delicious, kids loving food which is called quesadillas. So there are various type of stuffing can be done in a quesadillas. It could be a vegetarian, non-vegetarian, with any kind of meat or any kind of vegetables gonna get stuffed. Let's get into the kitchen and we'll watch. Keep the pan in a medium heat. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is little heated up, add 1 sliced onion. Saute it slightly. Add julienne cut green capsicum, followed by yellow capsicum and red capsicum. If yellow and red capsicum is not available with you, it's okay, nothing to worry about. Just use green capsicum itself. Saute it nicely, then add sliced mushroom along with capsicum and onion mixture. Saute it together in a higher flame because normally mushroom sweats the water. So you just saute it in a higher flame, then add American corn kernels. And just to season with, add 8 teaspoons of salt in it and saute the mixture. And here I'm adding a little bit of chili powder for spiciness for Indian palate. It's just an optional. If you wanted to just avoid, you can avoid it. Then I'm adding slightly cumin powder, which is a jeera powder to get nice flavor to a mixture. And I'm finishing with coriander leaves and toss it together everything. Your perfect quesadilla mixtures are ready. I'm having 2 breads here. One is made out of maida and other one is made out of wheat. This is atta and maida, so you can make in anything. It's a simple flat bread which is a chapati, otherwise you call it as, right? So I'm taking both these breads. I'm gonna stuff it inside. So I'll just sprinkle the cheese on first side. Same way in both the breads. Then I'm adding this mixture. Once the stuffing is ready, again you top it with the grated cheese. And on the other bread, again you have to just top the grated cheese on it. Just simply fold it into a half moon shape. It's quite simple. Just hold on your sides. Just fold it into half moon shape. Once the stuffing is ready, we're going to grill this quesadillas in a non-stick pan or tawa, whatever you have it available with you. So I'm gonna place it inside this tawa. Right. Just keep it in a low flame. Let this get roasted on both the sides. Roast it in a simmer and just turn it across. So you're gonna have the same golden brown color which is visible. So let's flip off other side. Let's check the color. Here also it has got nice golden brown. So I'm just taking it off, keeping it on the chopping board. I'm taking the other one, which is the maida one, just placing it again. Trust me, this is gonna be a fantastic, good snacks during the evening if your kids comes back from the school. The kids which are hating to have vegetables, certain vegetables, you can stuff it inside, you can just give it to them, they will love having it. Just wanted to give you a small note. When you are cooking your chapatis to make quesadillas, don't cook it both the sides well done. One side you just cook it well done. The other side, just cook it little half done. So when you are grilling it up, it will get done in it. So ensure that don't cook it too much. So I'm gonna cut this. You're gonna see nice and juicy, cheesy quesadillas which is inside. That's what I said, your kids will love having it. You must be thinking what to be get served along with this. And we'll show you a small dish which goes accompaniment with this, which is tomato salsa, which is quite famous and which goes really perfect with this quesadillas. For tomato salsa, I've taken 2 tablespoons of chopped tomatoes and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chopped onion and half tablespoon of chopped green chili. You can add more or lesser according to your spicy level. And adding a teaspoonful of chopped coriander and a salt to taste. As I said, if you need more spicy, you can add a little bit of chili powder as well. Mix all the ingredients. If you wanted to give a little sweet touch, you can add 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup, and I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in it. Transfer it in your serving bowl. Lovely quesadillas are ready. I'm gonna garnish tomato salsa with a small coriander spring. As well, I'm garnishing with the coriander spring on grilled quesadillas. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. I would request all of you to try it at your home, share your feedback in comments, and don't forget to share, like, subscribe and clicking bell icon for more notification. And stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you so much.